Hi guys, good afternoon. My name is Arun Jayal. Today is 19th of March 2026, and as we speak, the conflict is going into more deeper now in the West Asia, and the stock market is falling like anything. Today, Nifty is down by 2.3%, and it's time when you need to have a huge faith in the market then so that you can continue your investment. People are panicking when they see their portfolio in red. So what I want to discuss today is that you need to train your mind, not your portfolio. And as we as I said, the markets are falling, and the index is down by around 11% this YTD the last uh, 2.5 months. In the last 2.5 months, index is down by somewhere around 11%. So, to be a long term investor, you need to train your mind first, your portfolio will follow. I'll explain that. First of all, you have to accept that volatility is normal and market falling is just a part of your journey, and markets will fall, market will raise, but eventually overall the market will rise. You have to keep that in your mind, and you have to stop checking your portfolio daily. If you want to become a successful investor, then as I always say, you have to develop a strategy that you will check your portfolio once in once in a month or maybe fortnightly, not daily. It will take the emotions out of the equation. So don't check your portfolio daily, and you have to focus on your goals. Your goals will be fulfilled. That is for sure. If you are thinking that I'm saving for retirement and I want my child to go to US for higher studies, that will happen. You need not to worry about that because overall the market will deliver 12, 13, 14% return. Nifty has delivered 13% CAGR since last 45 years. So I don't think that in next 20 years it will deliver less than 11 or 12%, and that is more than enough for you. It will deliver more, or it will go as per the need. So your goals will be fulfilled. Focus on your goals, and you have to automate discipline. As I always say, continue yourself, and you need to automate your investments when the market falls. If you have other cash, just use it. Think long term; it will help you a lot. And also, you need to think like a wealth builder. Wait and have faith in the market. Invest in right fund and stay for the longest time frame. Stay invested for as much time as you can. And and as I said, that market eventually grows up in the longer term. And in the today's scenario will only help you in buying at cheaper price. So if you have money, if you have cash, buy it. The topic is how to train your mind. You have to train your mind by being optimistic, by looking at the longer term picture, by looking at your goal, not looking at news or not getting carried away by seeing your portfolio red. You have to understand that this is just a part of the journey. Accept volatility as normal occurrence. 10, 12, 15, 20%. It had happened in the past. It will happen in future. Need not to worry about that. And you have to focus on your goal. As I said, if you are investing for your child education and retirement, that will be taken care of from this market. You need not to worry about that. And stop checking your portfolio daily. Don't check your portfolio. Make a habit of checking your portfolio on a fortnightly basis, and automate discipline to continue yourself. Invest more lump sum if you have, and think yourself like a wealth builder. Wait and have faith. Things will improve, and as I said, your goals will be fulfilled no matter what. So always have these things. Build a discipline and a mindset of a winner, and you will do wonders for yourself. Wealth, you will create wealth. 12, 13, 14% CAGR is more than enough for you to double your capital in 5 and 6 years, and in 12, 13, 20 years you have 4 or 5 doubles. So your 1 lakh will become 25, 30 lakh with this kind of CAGR. Always keep that in mind and be positive, stay invested. Thank you very much. Have a great day.